A frozen banana. You can choose to preserve your overripe bananas by freezing and use them for later to make smoothies or pancakes, as I am right now. A cup of self-rising wheat flour. 3/4 full glass of milk. 2 eggs. Date paste. A teaspoonful of olive oil on a plate. A bowl for mixing the ingredients. Crack your eggs into the bowl. Add 3 tablespoonfuls of date paste and the thawed banana. Blend it all in. Add milk. Blend again. This is how the mixture looks like now. Add the self-rising wheat flour. Little by little as you stir your mixture with a spoon in a circular motion. Continue to stir. Till it is all mixed in a smooth paste. Now this is it. Get a clean ladle ready for the next step. Get your pan ready and light up the stove. You can choose to use a clean tissue. To apply with olive oil sparingly on the heating pan. Scoop your paste and spread it on the heating pan. Make it medium and round. Wait till the pancake forms bubbles. Looks cooked on the downside. So turn it to cook on the other side. And this is how it looks like. Repeat the process with the rest of the paste till you're done. And there we are with our ready pancakes. I choose to top my pancakes with homemade date syrup that I made in one of my videos. This adds sweet flavor to your pancakes. You can choose to add other syrups like chocolate, pancake syrup, or even honey. Our pancakes do not have added processed sugar. Time to dig in, guys.